Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove SIM cards on your Poco phone. To do it, just find the SIM card tray on your phone. It may be either at the bottom or on the side, the left or right, or all at the top. So just easily find it. Then use the SIM card tray opener and put it into the hole. If you don't have the SIM card tray opener, then you can use any needle. Then when you put it in until it pops out, you can pull it out. Here I have 2 SIM cards, you may have only one or like anything. Just pop it right out. Gonna remove both of them. And now put the tray back in. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.